Once upon a time, there was a girl in a red cloak with a hood who was trying to bring a basket full of sweets to her sick grandmother. Unfortunately, we all know that that story didn't end so well. She got lost into the woods and was almost eaten by a wolf. I think after all of that trauma, she deserves a glow up. That's why for my next project, I want to make a ball gown for Red Riding Hood. In this video, I'm going to tell you my plans for the design and show you the fabrics that I want to use. I have had the fabric for the cloak for months. I really wanted to use red velvet. And here's a little tip if you like velvet but you don't like the price: thrifting curtains. I go to thrift stores or I buy them on thrifting apps like Vinted. They're not always real velvet, but they look enough like velvet to make me happy. I bought 4 curtains for 50 euros. That's around $55, I think. These curtains are 1.45 meters wide, and the 4 of them have a total length of around 10 meters. That brings the price to 5 euros per meter. I think that's around $6 per yard. So that's not bad. I'm going to start with making the cloak, and I want the cloak to have a train for dramatic effect. I love cutting trains. I'm convinced that every woman secretly just wants to walk around in train dresses all the time, like in the grocery store, the coffee shop, or when gardening. So I'm basically just going to make a Harry Potter style cloak, but in a red with a giant ass train and a red hood, of course. AI actually created a pretty accurate image of that. I also want to make a dress for underneath my cloak, because you know she needs to wear something underneath. And the fabric for that just arrived. I bought this on Vinted for 16 euros, including shipping. I think that's around $20. It should be 13 meters of fabric. I didn't measure it yet, but I think that that's pretty accurate. And I want to make the main dress out of this. AI made a pretty accurate image of what I intend to make. It's just a face. ChatGPT, what's up with that? Is it a warning that you're going to kill us all? For the design of the dress, I was thinking to create a milkmaid dress. I really love this design and I think that it would look great in this fabric. On the moment, I don't think that I'm going to add a hoop skirt to the design, but I will add 1, 2, or 3 petticoats. And as this is a lot of fabric, I'm just going to use this for the petticoats as well. But if you think that I should add a hoop skirt, please let me know in the comments below. I would also love to add a corset on top, as in the AI image. And for the fabric, I have 2 options. Or I use the same velvet as I used for the cloak, or I use this one. This is the fabric that I used for my mock-up of the Snow White dress. As you can see, this has a gold detail, and I think that that would bring something extra to the design. I would also add some gold to the design of the white dress. For now, I'm thinking on the hem of the dress and the hem of the sleeves. So let me know what fabric you think that I should use. This one or the same fabric as the train cloak. Okay, that was it. Thank you for watching. Bye!